Hey, Luca. I got a surprise for you.
What is it?
You want to see it?
Yeah.
It's a big surprise. Do you hear it?
No.
You can't hear it? Do you hear it?
I think a little bit.
You hear it a little bit?
Yeah.
You sure? Let's go out and see it. Let's go out the front door.
Okay.
Go outside. Wait a minute. You see anything?
No.
It was a broken house. I think it's a house under construction. I guess maybe there was no surprise. Wait a minute. What's going on here? What's going on here? Is there a surprise in there? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's in there? Oh no, what is it? Whoa.
I was trying to want that all day.
Whoa.
It's mine, it's mine. You should also drive on stairs.
Whoa.
Daddy, you should also drive on stairs.
It can do what?
It should drive on stairs.
Can it drive on stairs?
Yeah.
We gotta pull this bad boy out.
It's mine, it's mine. It's mine. What's mine, Daddy?
Whoa, we got you one too, baby.
Huh? What's my mine?
Oh, are you sure you got it? Oh, oh. Sit down. Whoa, look how big it is. Stand next to it.
What's mine one?
Whoa.
What's mine?
Yeah, come closer. What's the name of the monster truck?
Grave digger?
Oh yeah? What can Grave Digger do?
Okay.
Whoa. That's pretty cool, Luca. Oh no.
See if it climbs upstairs now?
You wanna go see if it goes upstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could definitely do that.
Driving in my house.
Can you drive in? Whoa. Let's see if we can go up the stairs. Oh no. I guess he can't make
It
this.
can go down the stairs.
Oh man. But you know what?
What?
Let's try taking him to the beach. Look, let's see if he can go on the sand, okay?
Okay.
Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Whoa. Hey, does it work in the sand?
Yeah.
Let's see it. That's pretty cool, don't you? That's a lot of shells?
Yeah.
You want to show them how grave digger works?
Yeah.
Is it cold? Warm? That's pretty cool, buddy. Is that right? It's okay. Can you spell your name? You gonna drive the truck at night?
Yeah.
You ready to do it?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna light up pretty good at nighttime?
Yeah.
All right, hit that light switch and let's do it. The lights, buddy. You gotta hit the lights. Whoa. Well, the lights don't really show too much in front of you. Oh no, say bye to Fur Baby. Fur Baby's gonna go bye-bye. Bye-bye, Fur Baby. You're gonna see the monster truck go down the stairs?
Yeah.
So are you gonna drive it down?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be cool?
What?
What? It's not gonna be cool? Or is it gonna go straight down and still drive, or is it gonna crash?
It's not gonna crash.
It's not gonna crash?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I can turn it.
You can turn it?
Yeah.
You know how to drive it?
Yeah.
You ready to do it?
Yeah.
I don't know, that's a long fall.
So,
There's 7 stairs.
yeah.
Ooh. It's a long fall. You think we can do it?
Yeah.
You wanna give it a try?
Yeah.
So we're gonna give it 2 runs, okay?
Okay.
And if it makes it.
Here we go, guys.
Oh, you got me.